Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy, and in today's episode we are going to create an end screen for our game that will make it look totally cool. So yeah, let's get started with that. So first of all, I'm going to right click and create a. I'm actually going to just select my menu and duplicate it as the end screen. Alright, then I'm going to open up the end screen and I'm going to go under the canvas and I'm going to change the title here to be you. Okay, I'm going to remove the play button and then I'm going to change the title to be you finished the game. Alright, and I'm going to remove the underline here and I'm just going to make it stretched on the whole screen. Then I'm going to make it center aligned always, and then I'm going to add in a bit of padding all directions, 10 10 10 and 10. Maybe not, maybe 30, because we want a good amount of padding really, and 30 and then 30 here as well. Okay, that's pretty awesome. And if I go ahead and add in a new line here and then make sure that the match is okay, what we can do is we can add a line after finished, and yeah, you can make style it just as you want to style it. It's up to you totally. Not doesn't really matter. So you can make it like this or something else, whatever you like. So yeah, this is pretty nice, and you can see that this is the text that I want, and you can add other line back if you want actually. So that's it. I'm just going to make that much changes, and maybe I will change the background to a different color, maybe a shade of blue, maybe. Yeah, that looks pretty awesome. I'm going to increase the padding on the bottom to be 50 instead of the usual 30. All right, with that done, what we can do is actually it's extremely simple to finish the end screen, but just go under file, build settings, and then go ahead and drag our end screen in here in the last level. And what we can do is open up level 2, and in here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a portal here. For that, of course, we currently do not have a portal in here, so what I'm going to do is go under scene slash level 1. I'm going to go under the actual, select this actual portal, and I'm going to make a this is called a cube right now, make it a portal. Then just go ahead and make a prefab out of it. So just open this and add in this as a prefab. Then what we can do is we can go ahead and open up our normal the level 2 here, and we can go under our prefabs and we can drag in our portal in here. All right, that's pretty awesome. Now it's up to you to add more obstacles and create better levels now, I think. And we are not going to I'm not going to show you more obstacles. If you want, have you got some cool idea that you would like me to make, then let me know in the comments below. But I don't think I'm going to make any more obstacles for this series. You can make, of course, as many obstacles as you like. And right now, if I just play the game, and what we are actually going to do is add animations and stuff for the player, because currently our player is just a he's not doesn't look like an actual body. But if I do this, you can see I get to the you finish that game level, and that's really nice. Of course, one thing that we do want is that we want to make sure that our whenever we go under this, our mouse is not locked. So for this, I'm going to just double click to open up the UI event script in VS Code, and once that happens, I'm going to just go ahead and add in a not in the level management class, in the UI event class. I'm going to create a serialized field here, serialize come on, serialize field, a private uh, uh, rule called unlock mouse. All right, unlock mouse. And what we will do is that we will have a start method here, and what we will do in here is that we will basically say we will say if come on if unlock mouse is, so if that variable is true, what we will do is that we will just say cursor dot lock state is equal to cursor lock mode dot lock. And once I do that, I can go on Unity, let it compile, and hopefully this should work perfectly. So yeah, let's just wait for a little while. And Alright, now I can click on unlock mouse in here, and I can also go under my main menu, and I can select the UI events in here, and I can unlock the mouse. And just to give you a brief overview, I'm just going into tools and clearing my preferences, and then let me just open up the game view, and let's just try to hit play to see what everything goes like. So let me hit play. Actually, what happened? Okay. There's a little problem. We need to make it cursor log mode dot none, not cursor dot log mode dot logged. All right. Once I do that, what I can do is I can actually hit play and hope that it works. So yeah, let's hit play. And what you should see is that my mouse is not locked, and I can hit the play button. That takes me to level 1. I can go ahead and collect the coin. And oh. Alright, I can go ahead and collect the coin, and then I can go and this portal, and I get to level 2. Now in here what I can do is I can collect both the, okay, that's kind of hard it seems. I can collect both of the coins, and then I can, alright, this is not that easy. Okay, I can collect this coin and that coin, and then I can go ahead in this, and you can see it says you finish the game and my cursor is not locked. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So now we have got pretty much a complete end screen for our game as well. Alright, so now before I finish wrap this video up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my menu, and let me just show you a small problem that we currently have in our game that we need to fix. So if I open up, okay, that didn't work. Go under window, tools and clear press. There is a side problem that I just noticed, but that's pretty easy to fix. Just when you are have ended, when the game actually ends, make sure to reset the player preferences so that the player can play again. Now you can see that if I start the game from the menu, then the game is extremely dark for some reason. But if I do not start it from the menu, and instead I go under my scene view, you can see that the game is a lot better looking. Why is that? Well, the reason is that it actually tries to it tries to bake the lighting when in the scene view. This problem will not happen when you actually build the game. It's only happening inside of the editor. So in order to get rid of it inside the editor, what you need to do is basically go under window, rendering, and open up the lighting window. Here just hit new lighting settings, and that should create a new lighting asset here. Just put that in your scene folder, and I'm just going to call it something like lighting, because why not. Oh, by the way, I created this folder earlier. Let me just delete that. I don't need it. Okay, now make sure that once you have selected that, you can turn off global illumination if you want, and turn on real-time illumination. Just click generate lighting, and once it has done that, make sure that auto generate is not ticked, and yeah, that should work. So go under level 2 and save this, of course, and make sure that in the level 2 the rendering lighting is also set to be this lighting. So make sure that all of your levels have got the same lighting assets. All right. All right. That's I guess nice. Okay, so now if I go under menu and I hit play, this problem should disappear. Hopefully, actually, let's see. Okay, so you can see now the scene looks just as good as it did before, and there is no problem now. So yeah, this was a small bug that we fixed, and yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Make sure to create some cool levels, and if you have got an optical idea that you're not quite sure how to make, let me know in the comments, and I will teach you that as well. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, and in which we will add animations and stuff for our player and other stuff. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.